Hey guys, just want to get this video out to you. I got all the sponsors and the prizes in order, and I'll show you in a little bit what they're going to be. In the description bar down below, you can read all the rules and regulations for this challenge contest. Also, how to submit your entries. I'm allowing up to 2 entries per household. And hopefully you can get your friends out there to make some of these birdhouses too, because you can win some of these cool prizes. So let's go over and see what you're going to be getting. Hello, I'm Brian, and this is Summers Woodworking. Okay, it's the first place prizes. Borer Tool is donating a 543400 WTX clamp edge 4-piece set, and it's worth $159.50. Clearview Cyclones is donating a $100 gift card. 12V Tools is donating a $25 gift card, and RZ Mask is donating a mask worth about $35. And Jim Red is donating 2 pieces of products from this website that's down in the description per winner, and it's worth about $50. Second place, Lowell Thomas Tools is donating a jack clamp kit. It's worth about $99.97. 12V Tools is donating a $25 gift card. RZ Mask is donating a mask of choice worth about $35. Jim Red is donating 2 pieces of products per winner. It's worth about $50. Third place, Empower Tools is donating a fast track sharpening system. It's worth $79.99. RZ Mask is donating another mask. It's worth $35. Jim Red is donating 2 pieces of product per winner, and it's worth $50. Fourth place, General Finishes is donating 3 pints of product worth between $12 and $36 each, and Jim Red is donating 2 pieces of products per winner worth $50. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing all your guys' entries. I tell you what, I hope you found this contest challenge very enjoyable, and hopefully you can get your friends in on it. Maybe they'd like to win some of these cool prizes. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!